Hi, I'm Carl, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I was at Lowe's the other day, this past Saturday or Sunday, whatever it was. In the Christmas section, Christmas gift section, found this rotary tool. Never seen this one before, so I had to get it, add it to my collection. This was made by Worx, W-O-R-X. It's called the MAKERX, and it has different attachments that you can put with it. This one actually came with the rotary tool and a soldering iron / wood burner. 20 volt. Let's see here. WX988L. Okay, Go Anywhere Creative Tools. 54-piece kit. Here's the top. Here's one side if you want to stop the camera or stop the video and check this out. Now, another reason I bought this was, here's the different attachments that you can add to this. And on these attachments is an airbrush kit. You see it right there? It's the third one. No, it's the first one. Third one's a grinder. I'd like to get that one too, but my main thing is the airbrush kit. So, I've already opened up this box. There we go. Already opened it up, took everything out. It comes in this zippered bag. It's not heavy duty, but it's heavy duty enough for this thing. And I've already taken them out of these packages. Let me go ahead and get these laid out. I'll be right back with you. Already took all these out of the packages. Here's the paperwork that came with it. Here's the charger. Here's the soldering iron / wood burner. Here's the rotary tool. Here is the hub for connecting to the tool. Here's the warranty, and here's a little template showing different items, different accessories that come with it. So let's start with this right here. This is the charger. And I've been charging this battery now for about 2 hours now, and it's still not fully charged. But I'm going to plug it back in and show you here. You see how the green light is flashing? This says in the charging mode. Solid green is charged. And then, of course, the red needs charging, and this one is dead. Got this little button right here on the side. Push that button, it just disconnects Rosie. This battery disconnects. It's a 1.5 amp hours, 20 volt power share. That's what it says, power share. Just click like that and it charges up. And once it gets charged up, you can connect it to this thing right here. Just slides on and clicks. And then this end of the tool will connect to one of the other tools, which will give you the power that you need. This is pretty lightweight, probably 2.5 pounds or so. Now I like this braided cord it has on here. Okay, let's start with the soldering gun / wood burner. Right here, nice small item right here. Like I said, here's where you plug it in. Here's different attachments that came with it. And I'm just going to pour these in my hand and go over these the best that I can. I'm not a wood burning or soldering expert. Several years ago, I had a job where I soldered in a production line pressure gauges, and I was probably building 12 to 1500 pressure gauges a day in a production line. And that, after I left that job, I kind of promised myself I'd never solder that like that again. Anyway, this is like a little stand for when your when your gun is hot. You just, you know, self-explanatory, just lay the gun, hot part on there. Different tips. These will go with the connectors on here to connect the wood burning piece. And here's different shapes on here on these ends. This one I just showed you was just straight lines. This one is I don't know what you would call that, but I know it's kind of hard to see. This one's just a angled tip. This is a starburst type. This one is a almost like a well, I don't know, just different tips in here. Of course, you have your regular tip for writing like this. Then you'll have a flat one, of course, somewhere in here. Anyway, just different tips that you'll need with that. And here's the on and off. I'm going to go ahead and plug this in right here. Push the on button. Okay, you'll see this right here. It says off. Push the on button right here. Let's see if we can see how fast this heats up. Moving pretty quick. 197, 212, 220. There we go. I believe it goes to 860 or 680. Cannot remember. Anyway, like I said, I'm not going to be an expert on this, so I'm going to go ahead and unplug it. Get this out of the way. Here's the rotary tool part, and just like the other tool, it just plugs right in here. There we go, turn it on. That's off. See that little jerk though? When I turn it on. Shouldn't be a big deal. But that's on high, highest it goes. So for a rotary tool, it's pretty quiet. And again, this is not a tutorial on how to use these tools. It's just an introduction to these tools. It comes with these attachments. These different bits. They have some pink stones, the wrench, a couple of brushes, polishing pads, sanding drums, some cut-off discs. Just different things. So, I'm going to use this for a little while. See how this goes. See how it holds up. If this holds up pretty good, I'm going to go ahead and get the airbrush and the grinder. But this kit, where'd the box go? This kit, Christmas section at Lowe's, $99 I believe it was. I don't think you can go too wrong with that. Be a nice gift for somebody. The maker and the family. give it a shot. I think you'll be happy with it. Well, hopefully you'll be happy with it. I'll find out in a while if I'll be happy with it. My name is Carl. I do appreciate you being with us.